Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You're ready to find the watch. Start now. First, make sure your phone's Bluetooth and location are on because the app uses BLE and GPS to locate the device. Open Huawei Health or the Paired Watch app where you use the same account. Permissions must be granted for location, Bluetooth, and notifications. Once done, tap the app's Find My Watch or Ring function to initiate a scan. You'll trigger the watch to emit sound or send its last known GPS position, so you can begin locating it quickly. Once the app returns a position, use the map as your guide because GPS shows the last known spot and helps narrow search zones. If the watch is in range, hit play sound or ring and listen. Repeat as needed while moving slowly and scanning different rooms or pockets. Make sure to watch the app's signal strength or proximity indicator. Closer equals stronger BLE signal, so you can triangulate by moving in the direction where the signal increases until you hear the chime or see the watch. When you're close, do a focused physical sweep. Check cushions, bags, pockets, and under furniture while repeatedly triggering ring. Using a phone flashlight or camera helps in dark crevices. If you locate it, keep it charged and reconnect via the app. If the watch doesn't respond, immediately enable lost mode or lock it from the app to prevent access, then restart both devices and attempt another scan. Troubleshooting tip: if the app shows no signal, confirm the watch has power and both devices are on the same account before retrying.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.